We're here in Milton, Florida. This town was founded in the 1840s. It was a lumber town. It was pretty much burnt to the ground during the Civil War by the Confederates. They were fleeing Pensacola and they didn't want it to fall into Union hands. And so it was rebuilt. It's got a neat little downtown area. I've eaten here several times at the pizza place, Boomerang Pizza. Really good. This building was built in 1919, so I'm guessing most of the buildings are from the early 20th century. So this bridge right over here goes across the Black River. And we're going to go down there. They got a really nice waterfront area. This is an old theater here. And that's the old Santa Rosa Courthouse. Very nice little water fountain here in town, and sea turtle. Now this main road here is alternative 90, so there's a lot of traffic that comes through here. That's the old post office, the Smell Brewery. Some other places to eat here in town. Neat they converted the post office. Nice tree-lined streets. A nice looking home right here. So we have another restaurant that's down here. I'm gonna have to try one of these days. And then we got a park over here. We're gonna walk down through the park over to the waterfront area. They have a nice Veterans Memorial. Actually, looks like there's two restaurants here. Blackwater Bistro. Interesting. nice Veterans Memorial Park. The Eagle's pretty neat. Military Canine Memorial. I guess these are the names of different citizens that lived in this area for the different wars. Very nice, like, boardwalk here. Jet skiers having fun. It's about 75 degrees right now. Perfect weather. So if you take the boardwalk, you go under the bridge and you can come back out in downtown. You don't have to cross alternate 90. Again, this is the Black River. And I believe as you go further upstream, you get into the Black River or State Forest, I believe. So they have a lot of protected areas through here. You can tie up your jet skis and go have lunch. In downtown Milton, it's really nice. There's a few buildings that are empty. Hopefully they get them filled. Nice gazebo that you can sit under. It's not real hot now, but you can definitely feel a nice cool breeze coming off this river. So I'm guessing you go down there maybe another less than 10 miles and you enter into the bay. So you can get down to, by water at least, head out to the Gulf eventually. All kinds of boats out today. It's perfect weather. These are the backs of the historic buildings on Main Street. Look like they're apartments, maybe. So there's a little back alley here. And you can take this to get over to the Main Street area. This is the outskirts of downtown Milton. Beautiful Victorians lined up on the streets. Look at that one. And that house down there is another nice one. Yeah, this downtown area is really cool. You know, you don't see too many of these older towns like this in Florida. There's so much development. Well, there's not a lot in Milton, but for the people that live in this community, it's a nice little downtown area. It's scenic. You're probably maybe 35 minutes to the beach, give or take, depending on traffic. And Pensacola is about a half hour away. And then the main strip on Out 90, you get all the shopping you could ever want. Your Walmarts, Targets, Publix. Well, I hope you enjoyed this visit of the little town of Milton.